If you've watched the news recently or scrolled through any social media, you most likely have heard about the ongoing coronavirus. But what does this mean for your portfolio and how it will be affected in the days or weeks to come? In this episode, I'll be discussing how the coronavirus has affected the stock market so far, and I'll be taking a look into how similar epidemics have affected the stock market in the past. My name is Reggie Wills, and you're watching the third episode of Will's Way. A lot of people are concerned about the coronavirus for good reason, and this fear has shown some correlation into how the markets are performing. Right here in the United States, where now 4 cases have been confirmed, all 3 major indexes that are tracked closed in the red this past Friday. The Dow was down 170 points, the S&P 500 down 30 points, and the Nasdaq was down 87 points. In my personal portfolios on both Robinhood and Webull, I was also down a couple of dollars. A lot of this is due to the reduction in business and revenue that is bound to happen after many major companies have announced plans to close or suspend operations until further notice. A few of these companies include Shanghai Disney, which has announced the temporary closing, as well as McDonald's, which announced that they would be suspending business in 5 cities that were affected in China. So as you can see, there are so many reasons to sell. Don't lose any of your money, right? But no, what would one of the best investors of our time, Warren Buffett, advise us to do?
To buy or sell on current news is just crazy. You're in a wonderful business. You got people running it for you. You know you're going to do well over 5 or 10 years. And to think news events should cause you to try and dance in and out of something that's a wonderful game is a terrible mistake. So get into a bunch of wonderful businesses and stay with them.
And if that's not enough for you, here's a chart of past world epidemics where in most cases you can see that the stock market continues to push forward even in the face of adversity. If you're thinking about selling your shares because you don't want to risk losing your money, in my opinion, you'll actually be taking a greater risk by trying to time the market at its low. No one knows when it's going to bottom out, and no one knows when it's going to bounce back up. The best thing to do in a circumstance like this is to exercise a little bit of patience. And while we're all waiting for the market to bounce back, you can use this time to subscribe, share, and like this video. Thanks again, guys, for watching. If you're able to take advantage of this great buying opportunity, Webull is having a promotion right now, and if you deposit $2,000 into your brokerage account, you'll receive 5 free shares. That's for anyone who already has a Webull account or anyone that is planning on signing up. If you are signing up, a link is in the description for you to use, and you'll receive, on top of the 5 free stocks, another free stock for using my referral code. So thank you again for watching, and always remember, where there's a Wills, there's a way. Peace.